Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let's take just one photo for an example, and now I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So you go to settings, and here you have this first option, save selfies as previewed. So save selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So let's enable it and try to take another photo. And as you can see, these both photos, they are mirrored, because on this one we have this wire going to the right side and on this one to the left side. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.